Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's kick your cardio up to the stratosphere with Tethered Rockettes on the path of least resistance. Named not for the space vehicle, but the Radio City Music Hall dancers, Tethered Rockettes will kick your cardio up a notch while stretching out your posterior chain muscles. Find a right-angle corner on a chain-link fence with a top rail. From the corner, measure a full wingspan plus a body width in both directions to clip your leashes over the top rail. Temporarily rest one leash on the top rail with a handle woven into the fence. While facing away from the corner, put your hand through the handle of the other leash so it tightens around your wrist. With your free hand, grab the handle of the leash you secured earlier along the top rail. Put your hand in the loop and let the handle tighten around your wrist. Now kick your right leg straight up towards your left hand. Keep your body upright, bending only at your hip. Once your right leg swings back, kick your left leg up towards your right arm. Continue this back and forth like a cardio can. Check your equipment before every workout. Have your training partner help set you up, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. To get your cardio kicks and stretches and sweats, try Tethered Rockettes on the path of least resistance. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, do not clip your leashes to the subscribe button.